That's what's upstairs. With the lift. 80s OTIS. Somebody had slowed down these doors. Indicators knackered. They slowed down the doors on this thing. Still haven't fixed the indicator. Slow start. Very tall. I think Schindler do the maintenance here. Nice OTIS Series 1. Hydraulic. Nice Series 1 buttons. Not much to see other than the cab. None of the indicators work. Oh, down arrow works. Oh, classic levelling. Classic levelling on a hydraulic. Wow. That's it. See the thing chime? No, it only goes once. It doesn't go a second time. Go back down the G. Your close button works. This is the lift at Farmers in the Coastlands Mall in Paraparaumu. It's a Schindler MRL. Goes nice indicator. I love this interior. The ceiling's nice. This has got a very good interior on it. I think it's very, very big. I want to show you something.